This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned, at no extra cost to you, because they're the best in the industry. Did you know that nearly 40% of working Americans have a side hustle today? That's approximately 80 million people supplementing their income or pursuing their passions outside of their main jobs. As we step into 2025, the landscape for side hustles is more vibrant and diverse than ever before. Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever thought about turning your skills or hobbies into extra income, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the 10 best side hustles to start in 2025. Opportunities that are not only profitable, but also align with the evolving market trends. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Bizee, a professional formation service company that specializes in helping you file your LLC or corporation. Bizee is an amazing company that simplifies the entire process of creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they'll file your LLC on your behalf, saving you from all the hassle. A full review of Bizee is available in the description box below, and their website is linked in the first comment. Time constraints. Balancing a side hustle with a full-time job or studies can be daunting. Lack of resources. Not everyone has the capital to invest up front. Fear of failure. The uncertainty of venturing into something new holds many back. Number 1. Selling digital products. Creating and selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, or printables has become increasingly popular. With platforms like Etsy and Gumroad, you can sell unique AI-generated or niche-specific designs without holding inventory. 2. Dropshipping business. Start an online store without the hassle of inventory management. Partner with suppliers to ship products directly to customers. Focusing on trending niches can maximize profitability. Then, 3. Social media management. If you're savvy with social platforms, consider managing accounts for small businesses or influencers. This role involves creating content, engaging with followers, and strategizing growth. Next, number 4. Print on demand, often referred to as POD, and custom merchandise. Design unique graphics for merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. With POD services, products are created and shipped only when an order is placed, eliminating the need for inventory. Let's take a moment to highlight a success story. Meet Alex, who started a print-on-demand store in early 2025. By leveraging AI-generated designs and targeting niche audiences, Alex scaled his side hustle to a six-figure business within a year. His key strategies included continuous learning, adapting to market trends, and effective use of social media marketing. Number 5. Freelance writing and copywriting. Businesses constantly need content for blogs, websites, and marketing materials. If you have a knack for writing, this side hustle can be both fulfilling and lucrative. AI implementation consultancy for businesses. With AI technology advancing rapidly, many small businesses seek guidance on integrating AI tools to streamline operations. Offering consultancy in this niche can be highly profitable. Next, online tutoring and course creation. Share your expertise in subjects like languages, mathematics, or even cooking by tutoring online or creating comprehensive courses. Virtual assistants. Provide administrative support to businesses or entrepreneurs remotely. Tasks can range from email management to scheduling, offering flexibility and variety. Number 9. E-commerce store for niche products. Curate and sell niche products through platforms like Shopify. Focusing on specific markets can reduce competition and enhance profitability. Lastly, number 10. Content creation on platforms like YouTube or TikTok. If you're passionate about a topic, creating engaging videos can attract a substantial following, leading to monetization opportunities through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise sales. As we've seen, starting a side hustle in 2025 is not just a trend, but a viable pathway to financial independence and personal fulfillment. The opportunities are vast, and with the right approach, anyone can turn their passion into profit. Now that we've explored some of the best side hustles for 2025, let's talk about something crucial: protecting your business and your income. One of the best ways to do this is by forming an LLC, or limited liability company. An LLC not only legitimizes your operations, but also protects your personal assets. Bizee is one of the best LLC formation services on the market today. Be sure to check out the full review of Bizee in the description box and pinned comment below. Whether you're running a small e-commerce store, offering freelance services, or monetizing your content, an LLC can provide legal protection, tax benefits, and credibility. Let's break it down. Why should you form an LLC? Liability protection separates personal assets from business liabilities, so you're not personally responsible for debts or lawsuits. Tax advantages. Depending on how you structure it, an LLC can reduce self-employment taxes and provide write-offs for business expenses. Professionalism and credibility. Many clients and businesses prefer working with an LLC because it appears more legitimate. Easier business growth. An LLC makes it easier to secure funding, hire employees, and expand your business. Bizee is one of the best LLC formation services on the market today. I've done a full review of Bizee down in the description box and in the pinned comment below. Starting a side hustle is exciting, but treating it like a real business from the start can save you from future headaches. Forming an LLC is a smart move if you're serious about scaling and protecting your hustle. If you're serious about launching your own business, registering an LLC is non-negotiable. Bizee is an amazing company that simplifies the entire process of creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they'll file your LLC on your behalf, saving you from all the hassle. A full review of Bizee is available in the description box below, and their website is linked in the first comment. We'd love to hear from you. Share your side hustle ideas or experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips on entrepreneurship and personal development. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve into effective strategies for scaling your side hustle.